What's going on YouTube? Finna throw these stickers on my truck right quick. Windshield sticker, well, back glass sticker. My YouTube logo. Got my window cleaner. Got my wraith. Alright. Got a couple air bubbles. Damn, my ass. Got a couple air bubbles in there. But that's it. So I took my cleaner, my rag, wiped off the glass. First take, got it straight. I should have had the I should have stuck it on there first and then slowly peeled the back off as I did it, but that way right there worked pretty good too. But just still got a couple bubbles in the CB and the M, but I don't think it'll hurt nothing. We'll see how long it lasts.